बार क्लिक करना, पकड़ लेके नहीं करना।
కొంచెం కొట్టకండి.
ఈయన రికార్డ్ చేస్తుండే అన్ని రికార్డ్ చేసి యూట్యూబ్ లో పెడతాడు అయింది.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Welcome to online webinar classes. Sri Vasavi Degree College. This is Krishna, HOD of Zoology. So today we start our main syllabus. Okay. Actually, you know very well in zoology syllabus. So totally, I think you already fundamental basics are there. What are the fundamental basics? So we already discussed. So come on, tell me what is cell, what is organ, what is organism? No, tell me. So very important thing. So what is cell?
The basic unit of life.
Basic unit of life is called cell. Yes. What is tissue? What is tissue?
Group of cells is called tissue.
Group of cells is called tissue. Right. Okay. Done. So I think may video visible audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This writing are visible on the board.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now next, what is organ? What is organ? Tell me, what is organ? Ma, what is organ? Tell me anyone. What is organ? So tell me, what is organ? Anybody can say? Nobody is not there? Yes. Mahaj Jabin, yes, nice, my fantastic answer. So group of tissue, yes. Group of tissue is called organ, right? So group of organ, so that is what happened, ma? Group of organ to be formed, organ system. Group of organ is called what, ma? Organ system. So what are the organ systems are they? Come on, tell me. The organ systems are mainly digestive system, okay, then respiratory system, then circulatory system, then next one, muscle, skeleton system, and endocrine system, okay, so nervous system. These are the systems which are formed from the, so you know very well, organs, right? So whatever it means, this organ system, come on, tell me, group of organ system to be formed. Group of organ system to be formed what? So, Fatima, your voice is not audible to me. So whether those are people to say the answer, you must be unmuted to say the answer, right? So ఎవరైతే చెప్పాలనుకుంటుందో, those are the people to say the answer. You must be unmute yourself, your mic, then you must be saying. Because of it is audible to me, it is very important to me, right? This is very well. I think so many people are going to mute. So compulsory your video must be on. Because of I want what you are doing. Actually, if it is not your video on, I would like to remove from this meeting, right? Okay, so this is mandatory, ma, because of I observing what you are doing, right? So this is a virtual, of course, virtual classroom. It is a fantastic virtual classroom for, as usual, we are offline model, right? So now I will go to come back to class, right? So cell, what is cell, ma? Come on, tell me. It is a unit of basic life. That means one of the unit of basic life is called cell, right? So group of cells is called tissue. Group of tissue is called organ, right? So organ, yes, come on, tell me, Salma.
Organ system, sir.
Organ system, yes. Okay, so group of organ systems are there, you know very well. So that was so many systems are there. Some eating, respiration process, circulation process, system, everything is there. Salma, you must be mute, ma. Whether I ask the question, you must be say the answer, right? Whether I ask the question, you must be say the dynamic answer, right? Thank you very much. Now, organ system. Group of organ system is to be formed what? Yes, group of organ system is present in any particular, the part is called what, ma? So that is called what we done? Organism. What, ma? Group of organ system, that means organ systems which are present in the body, total, like digestive system, respiratory system, okay, and whatever, ma, total the body structure to the attachment with the skeletal system, right, muscle system, and endocrine system, everything, all the systems which are controlled by the brain, that is nervous system is there. Total these, all the systems which are present in the one particular life, what is there. So total these are the parts which are present in the one life. That life is called organism, right? So organism, how should we start off organism? Come on, tell me. The organism should be start from a single cell. Organism should start a single cell, remembering one thing. So the cell was discovered by, you know very well, okay. So of course, so that is Robert Hooke was discovered the mainly the first cell in pitch blend. In which year? I think you know the year 1665. 1665. In the 1665, so the Robert Hooke was discovered the first cell, right? So what is cell? Actually, you know very well. So the cell which is formed, you know very well. I think the cell which is formed of basic chemical substances. Basic chemical substances. For example, you know very well, mainly carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, right? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur. These are the basic elements to be formed as a one cell. How to form? For example, so these are the carbohydrates. That means carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and whatever it may be, you know very well. That is called biomolecules. How to form biomolecules? You know very well. For example, in the cell, you know very well, mainly the cell which is, come on, tell me, the cell which is to be controlled by, the total, the cell is under control. Which part? Come on, tell me. Anyone can say? The cell, for example, one cell is there, ma. This is a one cell, right? The cell which is covered by plasma membrane, right? Plasma membrane, right? So this cell which is controlled, total the cell which contains cytoplasm, okay, cytoplasm,
Nucleus.
okay, done. Okay, cytoplasm and cell membrane, I think nucleus, yes, very good, fantastic. So yes, nucleus is the main cell brain. Total the body structure, all the systems are which are controlled by the system that is called nervous system and brain. Okay, clear. But so here the cell which is controlled by one of the main key point is there. That is the key point is called nucleus. Nucleus. Anybody can say the dynamic answer. Who discovered the nucleus? Anybody can say who discovered the nucleus?
Robert Brown.
Yes, fantastic answer, Chandana. Fantastic. You done a fantastic job, ma. Robert Brown. Yes, fantastic. Okay, so that is nucleus. In which year? I think you know very well. That is year 1823. 1823, the nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. Right. So in the nucleus, In the nucleus, you know very well, mainly the genetical, that means the genetical messenger, the genetical matter to be coding in the particular point is there. That is called nucleic acids. Nucleic acids. What are the nucleic acids are present in this nucleus? Yes. In the nucleus, come on, tell me, this is the nucleus, ma. This is the nucleus. The nucleus which contains nucleoplasm. Nucleus which contains nucleoplasm. In the nucleoplasm, so in the nucleoplasm, very important thing. So in the nucleoplasm which contains nucleic acids are there. Nucleic acids are there. What are the nucleic acids? Come on, tell me. What are the nucleic acids are there? Anybody? Anybody? So people are going to not, you must be switch on your videos, right? Okay, if it is not switch on videos and not allows, like QCOM, BTD, BSc Samirin, Najma Froze. Okay, so I am not allows tomorrow onwards your class, right? You must be on your videos, right? This is mandatory, ma'am. What you are doing in your room, right? For observing purpose, right? Okay. So listen carefully. The nucleus which contains nucleoplasm, the nucleoplasm which contains genital messenger parts are there. What are the genital? That means nucleic acids are there. What are the nucleic acids? Come on, tell me.
DNA and RNA.
Very good, very good. I think Anuradha, right?
Anusha, sir.
Anusha, okay, thank you. You have done a fantastic, you have given a fantastic answer. Thank you, ma, thank you. Nucleic acids, right? What, ma? Nucleic acid are they? What are the nucleic acids? DNA and RNA. I think you already know fundamental knowledge about in what happened, ma? In intermediate level, right? So DNA and RNA, right? What is DNA? What is RNA? Come on, tell me. DNA means what? Salma, your voice is not audible to me. What is
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA means ribonucleic acid.
Ribonucleic acid.
Done. Okay, done. Okay, you know very well. DNA, remembering one thing, man. DNA which contains deoxyribonucleic acid, which contains what? What type of molecules are there? Anyway, any idea? DNA which contains what? DNA which contains nucleotides. The DNA which contains so many nucleotides are there. What is nucleotide? Any idea? What is nucleotide? Any idea? Okay, so DNA and RNA which contains many nucleotides are there. Remembering, try to understand this fundamental knowledge I want. If it is knows the fundamental knowledge, total zoology you must be understand, right? So not only zoology, botany also you must be understand. Not only botany, you must be understand total biotechnology, microbiology, right? All biology topics will related to this fundamental knowledge, right? So very important thing. So 1 minute, I would like to take one screenshot for attendance. 25 members are there. Okay, thank you. Right. See, what ma? I would like to give the DNA. See, DNA and RNA, which made up of nucleotides. NT means what, ma? Nucleotides, right? Nucleotide means what? Nucleotide means what, ma? Nucleotides means, you know very well. Nucleotide means it's a formation of nucleotides. So like sugar, phosphorus plus nitrogen bases. So nucleotide means the combination of sugar, phosphorus, nitrogen bases. Sugar, phosphorus, nitrogen bases is called one nucleotide, right? So what are the nitrogen bases? Sugar means carbohydrate. Just now I told you. Sugar means carbohydrate. Phosphorus means phosphor. Okay, and nitrogen bases means what? Nitrogen bases means amino acids. What ma? Nitrogen bases means amino acids. What ma? What the life required. The cell, that means it is a fundament. That means it is fundamental unit of basic life. It's called fundamental unit of basic life is called cell. Na? Just I already told you so many people, right? So these fundamental life required what? Fundamental life required in the water the first time. Okay, so some sugar particles, some carbohydrate particles, some amino acids formed, okay, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, that means sulfur. Some of the elements are to be enters into the water to be form of amino acids, to be form of sugar, to be form of like what happened, phosphorus. So these nitrogen bases, amino acids, sugar, phosphorus to be formed. That means DNA should be formed, RNA should be formed. It is a fundamental basic nucleic acid life. If it is, this DNA is not there, RNA is not there, no chance. DNA is not there, RNA is not there, so there is no life. There is no life. If there is no life, there is no DNA, there is no RNA. Genetic information not transferred from one generation to another generation. One generation to another generation. For example, if it is a man, if an animal, an organism should start from what? A single cell. A single cell. Remember one thing. For example, we are formed, like you are formed. A man should be formed how? Fusion of sperm and egg. Fusion of sperm and ova. Okay, the sperm should be formed from like testes. Egg should be formed from the ovaries, right? So these fusion of these fundamental cell to be fusion to the form of zygote. Okay, of the internal fertilization, what there may be external fertilization, then life should be started. But in the sperm, in the ova, in the nucleus, what are the main basic life units are there? That is DNA, RNA. DNA, RNA is there, there is life. If it is not there, there is no life. Okay, that is a main key mark. That is important thing. That's why you know very well. The cell is, for example, itna body, itna big body to be formed how? So total this big body, this total big structure, whatever it may be, like any organism, okay, should start a single cell. Okay, the single cell group of after cell division to be formed of 2 cells, 4 cells, 8 cells, like 16, 32, like 64 group of cells to be formed of tissue. Group of tissue. First of all, how to form? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen. So to be formed nitrogen bases. Nitrogen bases to bind with phosphorus. So these nitrogen bases, phosphorus bind with sugar to be form of nucleic acid. Then nucleus form. Then whatever from the nucleus, then Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum. Then cytoplasm should be formed. Then cell membrane should be formed. Then cell wall should be formed. Total, the cell should be formed. Right? After cell should be formed, then fertilization. Okay, then fertilization. Then tissue should be formed. Then what happened, ma? Organ should be formed. Then organ system should be formed. Then organism should be formed. Right? So, itna big body. So total the big structure of the body. The journey of the body, the total, the big structure of this body should start a single cell. That's why, remembering one thing, cell is a, okay, structurally, functionally unit of the life. Okay, or cell is a structurally, functionally unit of an organism. For example, total the body should be structured, the body should be built. The body should be built by a single group of cells, like what are the buildings to be construction? They required concrete, okay? They required cement, they required water, everything element to be formed, the building should be formed, right? But here our body also to be formed, a single cell to be formed of single cell to tissue, organism, so organ, that means organ system, organism should be formed. Then group of organisms, what happened, ma? Then group of organisms to be formed, what happened, ma? One ecosystem should be formed. Ecosystem should be formed. This group of ecosystem. So what happened, ma? For example, in the you know very well, territorial system, pond water ecosystem, tree water ecosystem, total in the territory, total the population should be formed. Group of ecosystem, group of community should be formed population. that is human population, that is tree population, like Echinodermata population, like whatever it may be, bacteria population, right? So this is the main important. That's why a single cell. That's why try to understand. So basic fundamental knowledge. So that is what happened. Cell is a structurally, functionally unit of life, or cell is a structurally functional unit of an organism, right? That is called cell. Very important thing. Clear? So, for example, remembering one thing, if it is what happened, ma'am? Digestive system should not take the any food material. Okay, food material. For example, you know very well what happened, ma'am? Respirator should not functioning. Circulatory system should not functioning. Okay, if these three systems should not functioning, excretory system should not functioning. If these four systems should not functioning, nervous system should not functioning. So muscle should not functioning. Skeletal system should not function. Finally, the person is going to Swargam dancing with Ramba and Urvashi. Right? Dancing with Ramba and Urvashi. That is a fundamental unit of a mainly thing. Right? This is clear. So right. Okay. Once I repeat, cell is the structural functional unit of life, structural function unit of an organism, group of cell to be form of tissue, group of tissue to be form of organ, group of organ to be form of organ system, group of organ system to be form of organism. Okay, right. So this is completed introduction. Now I would like to take. So come on, tell me, in the environment, what type of organisms are living? Come on, tell me. What type of organisms? Come on, tell me. Okay, of course. What type of organisms in the environment?
Living and non-living organisms.
Very good. Living and non-living organisms. Okay. What are the living organisms? What are the non-living organisms? Right? Come on, tell me. Come on, tell me. Okay, so which organisms are having life? Which organisms are having life? That is called living organisms. Which organisms don't have life? That is called non-living. Non-living organisms nothing but you know where light, sunlight. Okay, you know where water. Okay, so like air. Okay, these are the what are non-living organisms, right? But of course, living organisms compulsory directly, indirectly connected with the living, non-living organisms. Without light, without sunlight, we can't live. Without air, we can't live. Without, okay now. So water, we can't live, right? So I would like to ask one fantastic question. Come on, tell me. So in which metabolic activity is very, very important for the organisms? In which metabolic activity is very, very important for the organisms? Like I would like to give option. Number one, respiration. Number two, what happened, ma? Number two, okay. So photosynthesis. Number three, circulation. Number four, what happened now? Reproduction. Come on, tell me any idea? So, which metabolic activity is very, very, very important for the organisms? Any idea?
Respiration, sir.
What, ma?
Respiration.
Sandeep to say answer respiration. Okay. No, wrong answer.
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
Wow,
Respiration.
fantastic answer. Photosynthesis. Shravani to say the answer. Fantastic answer, ma. So it is absolutely. What happened, ma? It is okay. Absolutely 5-star answer. Right answer. What happened, ma? Right answer. Why? Chandana and Shravani to say the answer. Why the photosynthesis is very, very important for environment organisms? Come on, tell me the fantastic question. Tell me, ma.
Because by photosynthesis, oxygen is released, sir.
Sandeep. Okay. Tell me, beta. Sandeep. Tell me, beta.
because of
Photosynthesis release the
photosynthesis,
oxygen, sir.
the plants will.
Only one person. Only one person. Sandeep, you must be said now.
Sir, because of photosynthesis, the plant will take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. That will help for our respiration.
Yes, yes, fantastic answer. Fantastic answer, Sandeep. Okay, you done a fantastic answer, ma. Shravani said good answer, and Salman to be said good answer, Chandana to be said good answer. All of legend students are there. I think you are the legends. I hope you are the legendary guys and battle with our questions, right? Now, coming to the point, why the photosynthesis? Not only oxygen, the photosynthesis, the plant to utilize the carbon dioxide and water to prepare the carbohydrates also, right? Without that, we are eating some chapati, we are eating something puri, we are eating something rice, we are eating something vegetables, right? Okay, we are eating mutton, chicken ना मटन कैसे खाते हैं चिकन कैसे खाते हैं वो मटन वाला like बकरा like hen whatever may be so that type of what happened ma that type of organisms are they are eating what happened ma so plant products right so indirectly mutton we khate hai na if it is there is no plants there is no food of that organisms right so what happened ma photosynthesis is a main key role. Photosynthesis is the main key metabolic function for all organisms. Is it right or not? Is it right or not? Come on, tell me. Anybody can say. Without photosynthesis, I am saying that truly without photosynthesis reaction, there is no life in the environment. Is it right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Yes, because of yes, Shivani, yes, because of we are breathing, the oxygen should be come from photosynthesis reaction like plants. We are eating like food material, that food material comes from plants. Okay, we are wearing clothes, the clothes or cotton should be formed from the plants. We are sitting your what I mean chairs, right? So Anusha, you must be mute now, please. So we are sitting in the table also to be formed from the so photosynthesis reaction. That's why we respect the nature, we respect the environment, we protect the environment, save the life, save the organisms, save the man, right? So that is the main metabolic activity, photosynthesis reaction. So this is the main important. Now, come on, tell me. So, living organisms. What are the living organisms are there? Come on, tell me in the environment. What type of living organisms are there?
Autotrophs, heterotrophs.
Autotrophs and heterotrophs. What are the autotrophs?
Autotrophs are plants, sir. Plants.
Which depend on sunlight.
Yes, autotrophs means plants. Okay. Then only plants.
Which make their own food.
Okay, something I obey your answer, of course. Autotrophs only plants are there.
No, sir.
What are those? Come on, tell me. Only plants are there. Tell me. Okay. Then heterotrophs example.
Mammals.
Example.
Human being.
Human beings.
Only human beings. Only human beings.
Animals.
Human beings are not belongs to animals. Right, Amita? Come on, tell me. Okay, I would like to conclude the total heterotrophs. What are the heterotrophs? For example, in autotrophs, like okay. So whatever may be living organisms, autotrophs, heterotrophs, plants are there. I would like to give. Okay. Now, for example, plants are completed. Come on, tell me few of the microbial students. So many microbial students are there. What are the microbes? What are the microbes? Microbes. What are the microbes are there in the environment? Okay, like bacteria, right? Bacteria,
Fungi.
virus,
Fungi.
algae. Okay, virus is not. Virus is nothing but it's not an organism. It is belongs to non. It is connected between the living and non-living organism. Virus is not a organism. It is belongs to non. It is connected between the living and non-living organism. That is called virus. Okay. Sometimes it is treated as a non-living. It is treated as a living. That's why it is a very dangerous. That's why viral disease are to giving pandemic situation like we are suffering from. That means COVID-19, right? Okay. So these viruses which are living in the high temperature and low temperature also. That's why it is treated as a connecting between link between the living and non-living organisms, right? We are discussing about living organisms, right? So bacteria, fungi, of course, in microbiology we treated as a very well, like virus is a microbe. Bacteria, fungi, algae. Then any else? Okay, so these are the plants and the microbes are there. Plants and microbes are there. Okay, and next one, what ma? Next one, animals are there. What ma? Animals are there. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, plants, these microbes and animals. Okay, according to Aristotle, according to Leeuwenhoek, according to Linnaeus, what happened ma? These microbes, what happened ma? These total organisms are belongs to two kingdoms. How many kingdoms ma? Two kingdoms are there. According to Linnaeus, Linnaeus is the father of taxonomy. What ma? Who is the father of taxonomy? Father of taxonomy is called Linnaeus. Carolus
Linnaeus.
Yes. Okay, Sandeep. Yes. Okay, Carolus Linnaeus. Okay, according to my living organisms are mainly two kingdoms. Who's ma? Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus. What are the kingdoms? One is plant kingdom. One is what ma? Plant kingdom, and second one is animal
kingdom.
Animal kingdom. Okay. So plant means according to Linnaeus, what happened now? All plants, okay, all microbes. All plants, all microbes are belongs to plants. All plants and microbes are belongs to plants. I think intermediate level you all studied virus, bacteria, fungi, like algae. You are studying these type of what happened now? All microbes are you already studied in botany or zoology. You already studied these topics in which subject? Botany or zoology? Botany, right? In the botany second year, you already read bacteria, virus, fungi, etc., right? So that's why Linnaeus said all microbes, plants, or belongs to what happened? Plant kingdom. So all, for example, right? And according to Carolus Linnaeus to be said what ma? So those who are movable, something I think you know very well, movable. So the movable organisms are belongs to animal kingdom. Movable, according to Carolus, I'm saying that. So those who are organisms are movable, that is animal kingdom. Those who are immovable, what happened ma? Plant kingdom. Basically, the plants should not move. Plants should not move because of roots are there, right? So that is a basic fundamental character to be said. It is a plant kingdom. So this is right according to Carolus Linnaeus. Now you know very well living organisms according to Ernest Haeckel. According to Ernest Haeckel, what happened now? Ernest Haeckel. According to Ernest Haeckel. So the living organisms can be divided into. According to Ernest Haeckel, the living organisms belongs to three kingdoms. How many kingdoms, ma? Three kingdoms are there. What are the three kingdoms are there? What are the number one? What happened, ma? Plant kingdom. Number two, animal kingdom. Number three, that is Protista. What ma? Protista kingdom. Okay. So many times asked the question, ma. You know very well. So what happened, ma? So who introduced the new kingdom? That is Protista. Protista introduced by the scientist Ernest Haeckel. According to Ernest Haeckel, three kingdoms are there: plants, animals, and protista. All plants are belongs to plants. Okay, so our gymnosperms are penetrogams. Okay, whatever may be. Animals. Okay, and protista. In the protista, what? In protista kingdom, what happened, ma? You know very well. So, okay, few of the animals, protista, very, very important. The protistans, special characters are there. Special characters are, for example, plants, cell is there. Plant, cell is there. The cell which is covered by a thick cell wall is there. A thick-
Epithelium.
Okay, so that is plant. Cell is there. The cell which is covered by a thick cell wall is there. That is plant. But in animals, there is no cell wall. There is no cell wall. But in protista, mainly two types are there. Two animals are there. Okay, one of the plant-like animals, plant-like organisms. One of the animal-like organisms. Okay, plant-like organisms and animal-like organisms are there in Devema protista. That's why this protestant organisms, protista kingdom is called what? Protista kingdom is called, you know very well, it is a connecting link between the plants and animals. Which kingdom is known as connecting between the link between the protista and animals? Sorry, plant and animals. That is called what, ma? Protista. Protista having animal characters, protista having plant characters. Right? So that's why it is called protista kingdom. Very, very important. Like what are the animals? What are the organisms are there here? So algae are there. Algae are there and protozoa is there. What, ma? Algae and protozoa. Protozoa phyla is belongs to protista kingdom. Once I repeat, protozoa phyla is belongs to protista kingdom. Protozoa is not belongs to what happened, ma? So you know very well, animal kingdom, right? So very, very we are discussing about last 1 minute is there. This is a mainly the living organisms according to Ernest Haeckel, right? So one important see. According to R.H. Whittaker, R.H. Whittaker, what are the kingdoms are there, ma? 5 kingdoms are there. Okay, now. So one is plant king R.H. Whittaker. According to R.H. Whittaker, 5 kingdoms are there. Plant, the first one, Monera. Then
Nera.
what happened, ma? Next up, Protista. Next one, fungi. Okay, then plantae. Next one, animal kingdom. How many kingdoms are there? 5 kingdoms are there. Monera,